Hi, Dwayne. On your 50th birthday, you are a good son, and we are proud of you. You've had your challenges, but you came through. Loving, faithful husband, and a good father to all your children. And the new place that we saw is a place that you can come together, all of you together, and celebrate. And we hope to someday see it as well, other than on the camera. Dwayne, you and Christine and kids, have a great day. Love you, Guy.
Yeah?
Yes.
Hi, Dwayne. We're trying to figure out how this works, but I think we're on. 50, hey? I guess people have lots of ways to describe what 50 is supposed to look like and how you're supposed to act, etc., etc. You know, maybe it would be better to think of telling your age by the people that you have impacted and loved and drawn around you and that have trusted you, rather than counting the years. I think that's always been important. And having said that, just count yourself as being 32 and you've had 18 years of experience to figure out how to gather these people all around you and keep them there. And if you look around at all the people who've come for your birthday, you know that you are blessed. Dad's already said everything that we as parents would want to say, and no, we are not going to sing for you, even though Jordan asked us to. But you know, your friends, we kind of care for them too, and they would all just run away if we sang for you. So we're not going to sing, but happy birthday. Wish we could be there, but maybe someday down the road. Love you. Bye.
We live out in our old van, travel all across this land, just me and you. We'll end up hand in hand, somewhere down on the sand, just me and you. Just as free, we'll ever be, just as free, free as we'll ever be, ever. And also younger than the sun, and a bonnie boat was one as we sailed into the mystic. Hark now, hear the sailors cry. You smell the sea and you feel the sky. Let your soul and spirit fly into the mystic. When the foghorn blows, I will be coming home. When the foghorn blows, I wanna feel it a lot of money. No, we don't have a lot of money. No, we don't have a lot of money. No, we don't have a lot of money. All we need is love. Free as we'll ever be. Just as free. Free as we'll ever be. We live out in our van and travel all across this land. Me and